Good evening, volleyball fans. Masanto si Labi at Namin, Pangasinenses. We are now heading to our third game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 in the Western Conference under the leadership of Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gigo III. For our Game 3, it is the battle between the Municipality of Bolinao having 4-2 standing versus Municipality of Labrador having 2-3 standing. So we all know, volleyball fans, na ang Municipality of Bolinao came from the win yesterday, and for sure gusto ulit nilang makuha ang panalo for tonight, while the team Labrador naman galing sila sa pagkatalo sa kanilang last game, kaya for sure pinaghanda nila tong larong ito para lang makapagbigay ng good game and also maging all out sa loob ng court. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our live stream because our game 3 in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Thank you, Ms. Sam. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor Ramon V. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. It is Team Bolinao and Team Labrador.
Carranza gets the first blood. No, second point rather for Team Bolinao. Mendoza. Rick.
Mendoza backs it to Kaangay, and that is a point for Team Labrador. There's a net infraction there committed by Kaangay. Serving, Rico. Mendoza sa open. Rico will play setter here. Santiago block. Andun si Balarbar. Gamueda, Mendoza sa gitna. Coverage is there.
Rico back sets to Velasquez, but that will go out. Santiago gets through the block. Sofa now serving Short serve. Sopa.
Kaangay will set it to Gamueda. Rico isiset para kay Santiago. Mendoza sa gitna. And that is a point for Kaakbay the third.
Kaakbay serving. Misreceived by Manzano. Santiago gagawa ng paraan. Deflected. Balarbar sends that over to Gripo in the middle. Gets the point for Team Bulinaw.
Kaakbay. Rico back set para sa 4. Carranza to Gamueda. Doug. Kaakbay. Received by Manzano. Rico chases that one. Kaangay. Mendoza back set para kay Carranza. And he scores. Rico sets to the open drop ball. Nakuha ni Gripo to Gamueda. Free ball from Balarbar. Mendoza to Carranza, but that is too long for
Santiago serving. Mendoza to Gamueda. That is outside.
on the service zone, player number 7, Santiago. Mendoza para kay Gripo, and he scores.
Carranza. Manzano ganawa ng paraan.
And that is a lifting violation called on Gripo. Point for Team Labrador. Serving, Velasquez. Mendoza to Gripo. And that is outside. Pinabawi kaagad ni Mendoza doon.
Gamueda serving. Rico to the middle. Balarbar will play setter. Manzano is blocked. Point for Team Bolinao. Gamueda. Rico to the middle. Gamueda, that is long. Ramos.
Men- Cross-court attack there. Coming from Kaangay. Serving Gripo. Received by Velasquez to Manzano and he is rejected. Walang tao doon sa Zone 6. And the Team Labrador will call for time.
Gripo serving. That will be out. Point for Team Labrador.
And a service ace for player number 14, Manzano.
Manzano. Mendoza to Kaangay. Short on that one.
Down to a 1-point lead. Manzano. Gamueda receives that one. Mendoza to Kaangay. Good ball. Rico will set it to Santiago. And then si Gamueda. Mendoza to Kaangay again. Sopa. Free ball for Team Bolinao. Mendoza to Kaakbay. And he scores. Serving 11.
Serving jersey number 9, Rico. Mendoza chases that one. to Carranza.
Itataas. Velasquez will give a free ball. And Gamueda gets the point for Team Bolinao. It's a 3-point lead now. Received by Balarbar Escanio, itataas. Velasquez, free ball for Team Bolinao. Mendoza to Carranza, but that is too wide.
Sopa serving. Mendoza to the middle. That is Kakbay. Substitution here.
Substitution for Team Bolinao. Kaakbay, the third out. Tabukol in. Service error committed by player number 14.
Team captain serving. Mendoza sa gitna para kay Gripo. That is good. But that is hindi na may tatawids. Escanio. Mendoza. Mendoza back sets to Carranza, gets the point for Team Bolinao. And that touch violation there called on Gripo. Velasquez serving.
Mendoza isiset para kay Gamueda. Free ball. Rico sa middle. Mendoza to Gamueda, and that is off the block. Deadlock at 18. Gamueda straight to the net.
Serving jersey number 10, Ramos. Service error.
Palitan lang po tayo dito ng service error. Deadlock again at 19.
Kaakbay will return. Gripo serving. Rico. To Manzano is the block. Point for Team Bulinaw. We are now at our 20-point mark. (20) serving 19. Gripo. Rico kneeling sets to Sopa.
But net infraction there called on Sopa. This is a 3-0 run by Team Bulinaw. Gripo. Sure serve. Rico. Underhands it to Sopa. Drop ball na huli ni Kaakbay. Manzano. Andun si Gamueda. Carranza will set it to Kaangay but gives a free ball. Rico 1-2 na huli ni Kaangay. Rico on a 1-2 again. Mendoza to Kaakbay. Dog. Manzano. Gripo will set it to Kaangay. Andun si Velasquez. Rico 1-2. Nahuli ulit siya. And Manzano. Gamueda will set it to Kaangay. High ball. Rico to Manzano. And that is off the block.
Substitution. Santiago will return. Escanio will be out. Luna in. Sopa out. Manzano serving. Mendoza to Kaakbay. Mendoza. Service error.
Too wide on that serve.
Rico serving. Mendoza.
Combination play. Kaangay gets the point.
Timeout will be called for Team Labrador. Our official score is 23-21. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Bulinaw. They are 2 points away on winning this set. Kaangay on the serve. Balar Barmis receives that one. Santiago ginawa ng paraan. But hindi na may tatawid ang bola.
And we are now at set point. Kaangay. Rico isiset para kay Velasquez and he is denied. So set 1 goes to Team Bulinaw, 25-21.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference here at the Alameda City Sports and Civic Center. This is the third match of the men's division, and set 2 will begin in just a short while. Mendoza activates Kaakbay early on this set. Mendoza. Padilla to Iscanio. Ramos will play setter to Iscanio. Mendoza to Kaangay, breaks down the block.
Serving Mendoza, received by Rico. Padilla will set. Gamueda from the pipe, andun si Manzano. Rico will set it to Escanio, pushes that one. Mendoza, back set para kay Carranza.
Mendoza. Padilla one hand set. Escanio pushes that one. Carranza scores once again. This is an early lead for Team Bolinao for serving Love. Rico to Iscanio, off-speed attack. Carranza will play setter for Kaangay. And Guarin couldn't handle that one.
Good start here for Team Bolinao. 5-0.
Mendoza. Padilla bomb sets to Escanio. Mendoza from the pipe. That is off.
There's a check ball. Mendoza sends it long, and first point for Team Labrador. Padilla.
Point for Team Bolinao. Courtesy of jersey number 4. Kaangay serving. Rico.
Chases that one. Ramos. Free ball to Carranza. Padilla.
Mendoza to Gamueda, breaks. Squeeze into the block of Ramos. Service ace for jersey number 4. Kaangay.
Substitution here for Team Bolinao. Kaakbay out, Solis in. Too short for that serve.
Velasquez serving. Kaangay, tataas para kay Gamueda. Ginawa ng paraan. Padilla is there. Scanio. Rico will give a free ball. Mendoza to Gamueda.
What?
Nag-push up pa sa gitna. Timeout here for Team Labrador. 8-point lead for Team Bolinao. 10-2. Solis. Misreceived by Balarbar. Escanio gagawa ng paraan. Mendoza back set. Gamueda. Balarbar is there. But walang humabol para sa second ball. Solis. Service error there for Team Bolinao.
Escanio. Mendoza backset to Gripo. Andun si Escanio. Manzano. Kaangay was there to Gamueda. And that is a point for Team Bolinao. 9-point lead. Serving Carranza. Back-to-back service error here for Team Bolinao. We're seeing here, nagwa-warm up na ang Team Lingayen.
Rico serving.
And Team Labrador rather. Dahil ang next game po natin, Lingayen versus Team Anda. Substitution for Team Bolinao. Kaangay out, Retotal in. Padilla isiset para kay Manzano. Andun si Gamueda. Gripo will set it to Retotal. No check ball. Good serve. Mendoza oversets that one. Mendoza on a 1-2. Good ball. De total itataas para kay Gamueda. Pushes that one. Padilla sa gitna. And he is blocked. Substitution here for Team Bolinao.
Gripo out. Tabocol in. Padilla to Manzano, ginawa ng paraan. Solis dumps that one. This is a 10-point lead for Team Bolinao. Sharp serve. Padilla to Velasquez. Gamueda is there. Mendoza, Retotal will give a free ball. Balarbar, Padilla to Velasquez. Drop ball. Free ball para sa Labrador. Manzano. That is inside.
Manzano, sharp serve. Mendoza on a 1-2. Padilla isa-set sa open. Andun si Carranza, itataas, but miscommunication on the part of Team Bolinao.
Manzano serving. Mendoza, combination play, but that won't work because it's outside.
Received by Gamueda. Mendoza on a 1-2. Andun si Rico. Mendoza is set kay Retotal, and that is his first point for this match. Substitution here. Change of setters. Mendoza out, Bauzon in.
Serving Bozon. Padilla to Iscanio. Good. Pero di na maitatawid ang bola. Padilla to Velasquez. Carranza will play setter. Free ball, ihahatid dito. Bozon, back sets to Carranza.
Timeout, Team Labrador. This is a 10-point lead for Team Bolinao. Nine serving 18.
Padilla. Bozon to Carranza, gets that point. Back to a 10-point lead here. Retotal serving. Good call there by Sopa, letting that out. Velasquez.
Pauzon sa gitna. Padilla to Escanio. Pauzon to Gamueda. Pushes that one. Nandun si Sopa. Padilla to Rico. Blocked by jersey number 12. Pauzon to Solis.
We are now at 20-point mark. 20 serving 10. Padilla sa gitna para kay Luna. Free ball ihahatid dito para sa Team Labrador. Rico is blocked. Rico again, blocked. Over-received. And a misreceived by jersey number 14.
Free ball for Team Labrador. Isiset para sa open. Bauzon to Gamueda. But that is a point for Team Labrador. Bauzon is set para kay Tabukol. Andun si Padilla.
Bauzon to Tabukol. Drop that one and he gets that point. Our official score is 21-12.
Rico. There's a check ball, so that is a point for Team Labrador. 13, serving 21.
Rico serving.
No coverage there for Team Bolina, so point for Team Labrador. Serving. Rico. Sharp serve. Tabukol backs it to Bauzon and attacking setter for Team Bolinao.
Gamueda. Padilla to Sopa. He finds a donut hole on Team Bolinao. Luna. Carranza. Torre Total. Escanio is there. Luna to Velasquez. Carranza is there. Back sets to Bauzon. Drops that one. Padilla 1-2 play. Solis. Torre Total. Doug. Sopa is deflected. Retotal.
Padilla sa open. Andun si Solis. Retotal sends that long. Luna. Tabukol to Bauzon. I think everybody gets to score for Team Bolinao.
Service error there. Committed by jersey number 14. Sopa. Bozon pushes that one. Gorin will play setter to Iscanio. Gets in through the block.
This is not yet done.
Down to a 5-point lead here. 18 serving 23.
Padilla is set kay Velasquez and a smart play for Team Bolina will call for time dahil 4 na lang po ang kanilang kalamangan. It is 23-19. Serving, Sopa.
Gamueda misreceives that one. Free ball para sa Team Labrador. Padilla to Iscanio. Deflected. Tabocol. Ture Total. That is
And babalik na po si Kaangay dito sa laro. Backs it to Bauzon. That is not over. And baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Bolinao. And I think babalik na ang kanilang main setter. Bauzon out, Mendoza in. Still serving. Sopa. To Kaangay and he stops the bleeding and we are now at match point.
serving for the match. Mendoza. Padilla back sets to Velasquez. Solid self-cover. Kaangay. Sopa is there but couldn't handle that one. And Team Bolinao wins 2 straights to none. Congratulations, Team Bolinao. And a great game for Team Labrador.
That ends here our Game 3 in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita naman natin mula sa Municipality of Bolinao how they are consistent with their floor defense, blockings, and also sa kanilang attacks. And during the first and second set, kita natin ang kanilang smart play sa loob ng court. While the Municipality of Labrador naman, nakita natin na kumulang sila sa kanilang depensa. Kitang-kita natin na meron silang mga attackers but hindi natin nakita sa Municipality of Labrador ang solid defense for this game. But still, ginawa pa rin nila ang best nila para lang makapagbigay ng magandang game mula sa Team Bolinao. And for our Game 3, it is Team Bolinao who got the victory. So congratulations for our winning team and still congratulations for Labrador right now. I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 4, Sean James Kaangay, having 7 attacks, 1 block, and 1 ace for a total of 9 points. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So nakita naman natin kanina na napaka-solid ng depensa nyo when it comes to your floor defense and also sa inyong blocking. Sa tingin mo, ito ba yung pinaka nagpanalo sa inyo or meron ka bang naiisip na way kung bakit nakuha nyo yung panalo this game?
Sa tingin ko po, naging key po yun sa pagkapanalo namin today. And also, inaalay din po namin yung laro namin ngayon para kay Von kasi po meron po siyang sakit. So, ginawa po namin yung best namin para mapanalo yung team today.
For sure, sobrang saya ni Bo dahil napanalo nyo yung game ninyo ngayon. And hindi man siya nakapaglaro, at least ginawa niyo yung best niyo para lang makapagbigay ng magandang game. So after this game, ano naman yung feeling na nakuha niyo yung panalo?
Sobrang saya po kasi pinaghahandaan po talaga namin ito. Halos araw-araw po kami nagtitraining. Kahit umuulan na gano'n, pumupunta pa rin kami sa training. So malaking bagay para sa amin para makaangat din po kami sa seeds po.
Totoo, ibang-iba kasi talaga yung dedicated kayo as a players para lang makapag-ensayo and also para mas mag-improve pa as a team. So sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shout out?
Una po, sinashoutout ko po yung family ko, Kaangay family. And sinashoutout ko rin yung mga friends ko, yung owner po ng Tambayan, April Colorico, and my friends po ng mga taga Bulinaw. And sinashoutout ko rin po yung bebe ko na nasa Angeles, Pampanga. Hi!
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third game in the men's division, but stay here in our YouTube channel because meron tayong remaining 2 games pa na mas magiging intense and exciting. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.